When it comes to AI agents, MSPs are all over the map in terms of what they're building and what they're buying. Some MSPs I spoke with are replacing whole tools in their vendor stack with AI built tools they build internally. Others are augmenting other tools they have. They might add on to something that already exists, or they're connecting two different tools together. And other MSPs I speak with are not doing anything of that sort. They think the vendors should be and supply the software tools. They think, MSPs obviously should play around with AI agents, but keep the tool stacks to the vendors. And when I spoke to a lot of vendors, they encourage MSPs to build things to learn and to innovate on AI agents, but they caution that there's a lot they don't know in terms of the tool they're building in the back end of it. So when you have a tool, they say you have to manage it, you have to monitor it, you have to secure it, you have to keep innovating on what if a bug happens on this agent. So these vendors encourage MSPs to build agents, but to replace entire tool stacks, they caution them a little bit. But we still have MSPs all over the map with this. Some are innovating and replacing full tools. Some are just playing with a little bit. It's still early, but that's not stopping MSPs from innovating with a lot of AI agents. For more coverage on how MSPs are using AI agents to build out tools, head over into our July cover story at crn.com.